tonight. Very, very hard for us to choose, you know, who's the best.
It's all great.
So, looking around at all of you, I think we'll leave you guessing. But I've got someone here now that'll stand up and let you know.
You're saying that they were all good, so we're going to give them all. We didn't know which one to pick, so you were all good.
So, Annie, what do you think of the Eagles? What do you think of the Eagles?
The Eagles, they were really great too.
That was some good.
Dennis,
I liked
just
it.
the way you did it.
I could have flew away with them myself.
I'm glad you guys liked it because it's quite nerve-wracking. Like we want to do something good and enjoying and fun, and
It was fun, it was great.
It was fun.
I haven't had such a good time in a long time like this. I feel young.
And the lizards? The lizards? With Derek singing?
I like that with the lizard too.
Yeah.
What did you think of the lizard, my dear?
No, they were all good. They were all good.
Very, very good.
Did it great.
You'd make good actors.
Platypus?
So many people were just asking me what I was singing, so it's good to
Yeah, what
explain.
you singing?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
The first song was just to say how you have to go to sleep. That was the problem of the lizards, because it's cold enough. It have to go to sleep. So I say, lizards go to sleep. Usiku unafika, mtoto mama napasho lale. So it means you have to go to sleep because it's night time. So the lizard is going to sleep. So the second one, it's now wake up, you Yota Yota people. Wake up, wake up. Alonga alongo, wake up, alonga alongo, wana window. Do alaka lebo. So wake up, because you have already got enough people to support what you are doing.
Yeah,
And
no
wake up.
cheating on the rest of them now. That was lovely, you know. The winner's over now, you know. Don't be so still hard, you know, still hard for us to pick. Now, the next one?
One back.
Platypus. Platypus.
I've never seen a platypus, but only quickly down and diving in the river. That's all, but just to see the way he plays around.
Try to put it together, yeah.
Did he find a mate? Did the platypus find a mate at last?
You bet.
Wombat found
Good, very good. So
And then wombat.
we had the wombat too. I liked him digging away there. I don't know what he was thinking, but he was digging and looking.
What are you going to find?
Yes, very excellent. Okay, yes, so now we're going to be
Really great. Enjoyed it all.
Thank you.
Thank you.